जय श्रीमन्नारायण. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता फर्स्ट चैप्टर 29th श्लोका. Arjuna is saying to Sri Krishna Paramatma that, "O Krishna, my limbs are failing, my mouth is drying, my body is shaking, my hair is standing on the end. O Krishna, after looking at all my relatives in Kaurava army, I am getting all these changes in my body." With this meaning running in our thoughts, visualizing that we are sitting in front of Sri Krishna Paramatma in the shoes of Arjuna, and Krishna Paramatma is doing Gitopadesam to us directly. With that kind of thought process, let us now chant the sloka. Sidanti mama gatrani mukhancha परिशुष्यति वेपधुश्च शरीरे मे रोमहर्षश्च जायते. Om. The moral from this sloka, which we have to be practicing: when it is a time to fulfill all your responsibilities and duty, do not get anxiety, and with the anxiety, entire of your body gets unhealthy. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. "O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava." Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayana Astram. Jai Sriman Narayana.